Hi class, today we're gonna... Excuse you, classic Caillou, did you just burp? Rosie did? I'm pretty sure you're acting sus. It was me! It was me! Go to the principal's office, classic Caillou. Fine. I will go. Classic Caillou, why did you come to my office? Because what? I burped in class. You're in big trouble. Go downstairs and go home. Classic Gay, the longer lasting mother frickin' Lou. How dare you burp in class? That's it. You are super grounded for the rest of the week. That's it. Go to your room and think about what you've done. No.